Why does it take so long for your lawyer to make a decision whether to accept your case? Typically, if you don't have the medical records from day one, the attorney will get the records. And although New York law gives hospitals and doctors 10 days to comply with your request for records, typically it takes significantly longer than that. It might take 2, 3, 4 weeks, and sometimes longer. So you have to give your attorney a little bit of slack. There might be a period where there are delays in getting the records. But it's your attorney's job to stay on top of this and make sure that if the hospital or doctor is not getting the records to you in time, that they're on top of it. They're calling the doctor, they're calling the hospital, and they're making sure that the records come in. And the second step in the process after the records are received is the lawyer reviewing them and sending them on to a physician for review. Now, doctors don't always review the records on day one when you send them. In fact, it might be 2, 3, or even 4 weeks before the doctor can get around to reviewing the medical records in your case. So there is a little bit of time here. But here's the thing. After 1 month of getting the records and 1 month to allow the doctor to review your medical records, we'll give about 2 months. If the attorney is not getting back to you with some answers as to what's going on and what the next step is, there's a good chance that you need to find another attorney. A big mistake that you could make is to think, well, it's been 3, 4 months, and the attorney's kind of giving me vague answers. I don't really know what's going on. You have to make a change. Because if your attorney is not answering your phone calls, if your attorney is not willing to sit down, discuss your case with you, it's time to find another attorney. If you'd like to find out more about the most common mistakes made by malpractice victims, I encourage you to get my free ebook, The 7 Deadly Mistakes of Malpractice Victims, which you can get from the homepage of my website, protectingpatientrights.com.